You are welcome to free online tutorial class. This is Olorun Toba Kayode. In this video, I'll be showing us some common errors students make during titration.
I will blow your mind.
Titration, most especially while taking readings on breath.
I will blow your mind.
In pencil, it will attract -2 marks. So you are not expected to write in pencil when you are writing your chemistry practical. Error number 2 is wrong unit. On your table, you are expected to put correct unit, which is in centimeter cube. If you put any other unit apart from centimeter cube, it attracts -1 mark. Another error is inconsistent bullet reading. Inconsistent bullet reading. Your bullet reading must be in 2 decimal places. If you put it in 1 decimal place, it will attract a whole sum of -2 mark. Or let me better still, if you don't put it in decimal, let me just say you put 24 only. You round it up to a whole number. It will attract -2 marks. So when you are supplying your figure on the table, you must be consistent. 24.20, 24.30, and so on and so forth. Okay, arithmetic error. Arithmetic error is when you do wrong calculation. Your initial bullet reading, the value you got for your initial value, you minus it from the final to get the volume of acid used. So if you do wrong calculation in that line, it attracts -4 marks. It attracts -4 marks. That is what we call arithmetic error. Okay, another is alteration. Alteration of any kind. Alteration of any kind attracts -2 marks. And when we say alteration, it means that initially you have written 24.20. You now alter it to 23.50 or 23.60. In that way, any alteration on your note or in your practical attracts -2 marks. This is according to WAEC standard. Okay?
I will blow your mind.
And maybe you have done with your table. You have finished everything. You now cancel it. You just put a stroke like this to cancel, and then rewrite another one. It attracts -4 marks. -4 marks. Okay. Volume of acid use. If you fail to put the volume of acid use on the column, on the row, on the column or on the row, if you fail to put the volume of acid use, it attracts -2 marks. Which means that the row, you are going to see the format of how to draw your table on the screen there. So when you fail to put the volume of acid used on the table, it attracts -2 marks. Another error is concordance value. What we call concordance value? Concordance values are titles in which their differences is not more than ±0.2. ±0.2. So if any value you are going to use to calculate the average volume of acid use, which will eventually represent your volume of acid use, that is your VA, it must be concordance value. That is, the differences between them must not be more than 0.2, either plus or minus. You see the format there on the screen. If you do not use concordance value, it will attract -8 marks. 8 marks will be deducted from your score. Okay, so what is theta value? Theta value is that reading you take from the breath, the point of neutralization, the value you take at the point of neutralization. And like I said earlier, the concordance value are thetas in which their difference is no more than ±0.2 centimeter cube.